I made a video 2 days ago dropping an update on how to claim a 200k, 400k, 800k free Profim account, and I'm so glad a lot of people were able to get it. But after some while, I was getting comments like this that the code has expired, the coupon code has expired, which means some people came in late and were not able to get it. Now, one thing is, I'm actually working on this to see if I can get a new code from the Profim to be able to make other people who actually came late get theirs. But for the meantime, I'll be dropping an update about another Profim, which you can actually make sure you just go straight. Now, this is one thing I used to say in almost all my videos, that there's a link in the comment section which you can click on to take you to the Telegram channel. And in the Telegram channel, you always get notified first before the video even drops on YouTube. You get notified on the Telegram channel, so you don't miss out on any update I'm dropping. Now, in today's video, you'll be getting a free $1,000 deposit free Profim account, and also at the end of the video, you'll be getting a $50 no deposit bonus. And if you know this is your first time of coming across this channel, I'm Danielite. Take a look at the name of the channel at the top, which is Make Money with Danielite. And also make sure you subscribe to the channel so you get notified. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss out anytime I drop updates about forex bonus, free Profim, and also crypto update sometimes. And also leave a comment in the comment section which country you are watching from, so you always get to meet with other people to know which country they are watching us from. And in case you have any issues about any aspect of this video I'm actually making about, this Profim I'm about to talk about, drop a comment and I'll be there to give you a reply in case you're having any issue with any aspect of the video. So like I said earlier, there's a link in the comment section which you click on that takes you to the Telegram channel where you meet with other traders like you. And also in the Telegram channel, that's where you'll be seeing the link that will take you to the site where you'll be getting this free Profim account. Now, once you get to the Telegram channel, make sure you join the Telegram channel so you don't miss out. So the link you find in the Telegram channel, just click on it, then it will take you to this Profim right here showing on the screen. So clicking on the link brings you right here to this Profim that's named VProp Trader. Now, I'm sure a lot of us are familiar with this Profim, but there's another special aspect about this Profim, which is actually called, it is recent, so a lot of us haven't gotten it. Now, if you know you don't have an account with them, just click on register and fill in your details into these sections right here. The country where you're from, your email address, and verify the email. And also create a password, add the mobile phone number, and in case you're using my link, the file section will be filled automatically. Click on this small box right here to agree to their terms and conditions and then register. Now, immediately you're logged into the site, you can see right here on the screen that says free challenge, which is the 1K account which a lot of us might have gotten before. But if you know you've not gotten it, you can also get that also. But the aspect which I'm actually making this video about is it's also a free 1K account, but not this one. Now, once you click on this icon that says account, you'll see this right here. And you can see this right here is a two-step challenge account. I've already gotten it and I didn't quickly take a screenshot of it before getting it. But what you need to do right here, you need to log in, connect your WhatsApp to this account. Now, to be able to do that, there's a section right here that will show WhatsApp. You just need to click on it and it will take you to your WhatsApp, and a code will be sent to your WhatsApp which you just need to verify. Now, if you actually, once you've gotten the code, the code will actually verify through WhatsApp. And once you've gotten it, you come back to this section to copy the login details for the account. Now you can see where they actually put details. This is what you click on, or you click on login info. Then you'll be given details which you can use to log into your MT5. Now the claiming process is pretty easy, and if you take a look at this right here, I already started trading mine some few days ago, and I think I'm almost done with passing the phase 1. And if I actually scroll up, you get to see the requirements which I need to pass, and also all these details are just pretty straightforward. Now, once you've gotten the account, just start trading and make sure you meet with every requirement which is necessary. The objectives are pretty simple. You just click on more info and then you'll be getting details about the account. Now, that's straightforward. And once you've gotten it, just pass the first phase and the second phase, and you can get funded with a live account and you trade with it and make withdrawal. Now, there are a lot of us who still actually going to be having issues with some aspects. Just make sure you leave your comments in the comment section and I'll be there to help you review it and make sure it is sorted out. Now, for the other video, the other bonus which I said I'll be talking about, which is a $50 deposit bonus. And right here on the screen, you see I already logged into my MT5 and it's ready to start trading. I just need to wait for the market to open and I can start trading. Now this same bonus you'll be getting it from Plexi, and you can see the site showing on the screen right here. So for those of us who are already aware about this Plexi, just go straight to claim it. But if you know you're new to this platform, just register an account with them by clicking on this right here that says sign up. Now it shows you this section, and also Plexi actually use an authentication, which means you'll be connecting your account with an authenticator app, which will generate you a code anytime you want to log in. Now, creating an account with them and also connecting it with an authenticator is what you actually need. Now, once you create an account with them, this right here is what the site looks like. Once you log in, you have this like this. All you need to just do is you just click on the 3 lines showing at the top right here, and in the option you get to see this section that says competition. Now you click on competition, then you have details just like this. Now you can see the number of contestants showing right here, and also you can see the number of days remaining for you to be able to claim it. Now if you actually don't claim this account after the next 14 days, you would actually miss out on it, and it will be over by then. So right here, once you select join competition, you just pick in if you're actually choosing MT4 or MT5. So I chose MT5 and then agreed to this section right here by clicking on submit. And after that, I was sent login details to my email. So from this section right here, you just need to go straight to your email and copy the login details which you sent to your email. Copy the login details and straight to MT5 to login. Now you can see right here how it looks like. Now once you copy the login details, you just need to take it to MT5 to log in, and you can just start trading. Now I'll be logging this right here to show you how it looks like. Like I said, just copy the details, post it in your MT5, and you'd have it just like this. So you can see the $50 already in the account and ready to start trading, but you just need to wait for the market to open before you can actually proceed to trading with the account. So in case there's any aspect of this video you don't understand, just leave a comment in the comment section, and also don't forget to join the Telegram, give this video a like, and also have a nice day.